Introducing the Motorola Signature 5G, Flagship Redefined. Experience luxury performance and smart investment with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, 165Hz AMOLED, a triple 50 megapixels camera system, a 5,200 mAh battery with 90W charging, and 7 years of updates. The Motorola Signature 5G offers unmatched power and performance. It is powered by the 3nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 architecture, with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage, offering the fastest experience in its segment. Enjoy ultra-smooth gaming and Moto AI readiness with Android 16 and Hello UI. Discover a world-class display and design. The 6.8-inch LTPO Extreme AMOLED display features a 165Hz refresh rate and a 6,200 nits peak brightness for outdoor-ready clarity. With Pantone validated colors and an IP68 plus IP69 rating, this premium look is built to last, even against high-pressure water. Capture pro-level photography with the Flagship camera system, featuring a 50 megapixels main with OIS, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 50 megapixels periscope with 3x optical zoom. Record in 8K and take stunning selfies with the 50 megapixels front camera. Experience flagship photography without the flagship price. Enjoy all-day power and rapid charging with the 5,200 mAh silicon carbon battery. Utilize 90W turbo power wired charging to recharge in minutes. The device also supports 50W wireless charging, including reverse charging support, giving you full-day power in a short time. The Motorola Signature 5G offers a premium flagship experience at a smarter price. Pricing options range from the 12GB plus 256GB at 59,999 rupees to the 16GB plus 1TB model at 69,999 rupees. It includes 7-year software support, bank offers, and competes with 80K plus flagships.